Exploring the phrase, city view. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might come across in your daily life or during your travels, city view. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. City view is a two-word phrase. Let's understand them separately. City, a large human settlement. Think of places with tall buildings, crowded streets, and various amenities. Big cities include New York, London, Tokyo, and many more. View, what you can see from a particular place, especially in terms of the landscape or environment. When combined, city view refers to the visual scene or panorama of a city, often seen from a high point or a specific vantage point. It's the image or sight of a city's landscape, buildings, and sometimes even its hustle and bustle. To ensure you grasp the term, city view, thoroughly, let's see how it's used in some sentences. 1. The hotel room offers a magnificent city view at night. 2. I chose this apartment mainly because of its breathtaking city view. 3. The restaurant on the 40th floor promises not just good food, but also an unparalleled city view. From these examples, you can see that city view often describes what one can see, especially in the context of accommodations or locations that offer a panoramic sight of the city. It's always a good idea to know synonyms or similar phrases. This can enrich your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in different ways. Urban panorama, cityscape, city outlook. Remember, while these can be used in place of city view, the context should always guide your choice of words. And there you have it. Next time you're looking at a vast expanse of buildings, roads, and lights from a hotel window or a tall tower, you'll know to call it a city view. We hope this video clarifies this phrase for you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.